Today was our 32nd open house, and we celebrated a very special one because it was also the 30th anniversary of Tustin Thunder.
The Tustin Thunder was a road race we put on at the Tustin Air Base with Colonel Bill Hammerly, John Honeycomb, Gary Dizzy, who was with Chrysler Corporation. And we got a group together of 125 volunteers and 3 or 4 permanent staff and put on a road race for over 3 days for 56,000 people at the Tustin Air Base. To think it's been 30 years and we got the guys back together, and it was bringing back some really incredible memories and wonderful things we did with the community. It was an amazing event.
They had a carnival, they had a go-kart track, they had a drag race exhibition, they had the actual races, they had a bunch of vendors. There was a car and motorcycle show in that hangar. It was an incredible weekend, and it was the same weekend that we're celebrating our open house. Open house is an annual event that we have each year. It's free admission. We try to get the community together, and so we try to make it as fun for everyone. We had OC Tacos, we had Rise Espresso Bar, and then we had Aloha Boys Shave Ice Day, which was amazing. So High Roller Entertainment Rentals, he donated his time as well, and he provided the photo booth. We had a coloring area. We're working on a coloring book. We printed our vehicles that we've done drawings of, and so kids of all ages got to participate in that. And then Trackside Sim Racing donated their time and sponsored their racing simulators today, and that was incredible. The Under the Hood project has been started by a gentleman named Christian Garling, and we're partnering with him. He is an auto shop teacher. He's working on starting a nonprofit where he's helping educate the next generation on basic car care maintenance and safety. The one other organization I wanted to thank was National League of Young Men. They came out and they volunteered their time today, so we really appreciate them. The merch booth was the largest merch booth we've ever done. We've had a lot of magazines, and the best way I could think of to do is to share it with the public. So we had them at a very low price. We let people just shop around. We also unveiled our special edition Tustin Thunder shirt and recreating the neon hats, very 90s, bringing it back. So we wanted to thank everybody for coming out today. We had incredible cars, all of the vendors that came, the sponsors, and all of my staff.
This event is about the community, about putting back to the community and helping us execute the things that we need to do to generate money for kids at risk in Orange County. The community is what makes it happen.